The Hausted pendant has many functions. We will be going through some of the key features. The first thing you will need to do is wake up the pendant. When the unit sits dormant for 30 to 45 seconds, there will be no LED light. That means your unit is not ready to perform any functions. If you push the lock button one time, the unit will be ready to perform any function. The M, 1, 2, 3 buttons are all preset buttons. The purpose of presets is to easily move patients with the press of one button. There are 3 buttons to program. You can make micro adjustments after getting the patient in one of the desired positions using the up and down buttons. To preset any of the 3 memory buttons, it's a simple 3 steps. Step 1. Have chair in the desired position. Step 2. Hold M button down until all the buttons light up. Step 3. Simultaneously press the M button and the number 1, 2, or 3 buttons. All the lights remain on while the M button flashes. Once the preset is programmed, press any button to exit preset mode. To override any of the settings, you can follow the same steps. If no preset has been set, then the chair will not move when the button is pressed. To lock hand pendant, we press the lock button and hold until all lights flash green. Pressing both the lock and the battery button at the same time will unlock the hand pendant. Hold this for 3 seconds until the lights stop flashing. The brake button, if pressed once, will lock all casters. If you press the steer button once, it will lock the front wheels and place the back wheels to swivel. If you press the steer button twice, the unit will go into neutral for micro adjustments, and all wheels will be on swivel. To move the whole chair's height up or down, use the first set of arrowed buttons. To move the back of the chair up or down, use the second set of arrowed buttons. To move the seat tilt up or down, use the third set of up and down buttons. And finally, to move the leg up and down, use the last set of up and down arrows. Press the Trend button to get the chair in Trendelenburg. Push the supine button to get the chair in supine position. The home position will take a procedure chair to the chair position. This will be the lowest height of 20 inches and puts the back at 90 degrees. Thank you for watching this video on the Hausted pendants. Please contact your Hausted representative to see how we can help streamline your caseload and transform your OR.